For more such reviews, visit poojareviews.com, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel in case you like my videos in any way. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about hair trimmers, and yeah, this is an absolute necessary in today's present situation. Hope all of you are doing very well, and yeah, please do take care of yourself. So without further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now if you're hairy just like me, you definitely need to purchase this trimmer. Now I have a brand which is not from India, it is Philips, and I do absolutely recommend this brand to all of you because I have used this brand since 9 years, and let me show why. So this is the Philips trimmer which my family member has since last 9 years. So if you're a man and if you're looking for an affordable trimmer, please definitely go for this one, because without any doubt it has stayed for such a long time and it is really worth every penny. So for the last 3 years I have been using this trimmer from Ezvid. This is a brand which I got from Nika. It was a perfectly okay trimmer, but yeah, it did take a long time to assemblate this trimmer. Otherwise it was working perfectly well, but until recently the blades turned to be really blunt and I was not able to use it. That's why I proceeded with the new trimmer, which is Philips. So yeah, let's review that one. Now this is the one which comes along with the box. This is the bag, and I absolutely like it because it is very portable. You could easily carry it with you wherever you go. It is very small in size and easy to use. You can use it to get rid of your hairs on your hand, hairs on your legs, and on any part whatsoever. So I absolutely love this one, and yeah, I have just used it twice till now, but then I thought of giving a review because at this point of time it is absolutely necessary to have this one. So I've got this one from Amazon. Originally comes at a price of 2195. However, I have got a discount. I will leave all the links and the details in the description box below. It's very easy to assemble, unlike the one which I was having prior to this. Comes with 2 attachments, brush and a cloth bag. Also comes with a battery, and the machine is quite sturdy and it's not a flappy one. You could easily adjust the attachments, unlike the one which I was using. Here you can clearly see how hairy I am. Now I'll give you some tips and tricks. In case you have longer hair length just like mine and it's thin, you could definitely get rid of that by using this trimmer alone. Now if you have longer hairs, you could definitely get messy with the razor. So please don't try, if you have longer hairs, to shave with the razor, because you can also hurt yourself in the process of trying it. So if you have longer and thicker hair, here is my tip. So once you're done trimming it, you will be left with spikes of hair on your hands or legs or wherever you're shaving. So after that, you are gonna need one conditioner of your choice. You apply generous amount of conditioner over the parts of your body, and then you are going to use a razor, and yeah, make sure that it's clean, safe, rust proof, and yeah, it's fresh. And then you are gonna shave all the remaining spikes of hair, and you're gonna have that smoother feeling which you really expect after shaving or after trimming your hair. So once you're done with it, you are gonna apply some moisturizer of your choice, and then you're done with it. it's absolutely your wish whether you go for Philips or anything, but I absolutely recommend you to buy a trimmer at this point of time. And please purchase a good brand so that it stays for quite some time, and not any Chinese brand such as S-Bit and all those things which I have done in the past. Because yeah, I think I shouldn't have gone for cheaper products which are affordable and which don't sustain, because sustenance is one of the key things we need to take care, and we just can't buy random stuffs and throw around. Now that the environment is very susceptible, we need to take care of the environment as well. Also, if any of you know how to use this particular attachment which comes along with it, please do let me know in the comment section, because I really tried hard to use it, but I didn't feel that it is of any use to me. By the way, I am trying out various such medicinal creams for you, and I will definitely come up with reviews for that. Please stay tuned if you're interested. And that was all about this video, and I hope this will be useful and you were able to decide properly whether you are willing to buy this product or not. So yeah, love you guys. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.